In this video, I will explain what you will get if you join the VIP membership on tradingboardlab.com. So let's move to my screen here. Simply you need to search for tradingboardlab.com and then press OK. And here you can see all my services and options I'm offering. You simply need to go to the registration page. Once you go to register, you will have two different options to join the VIP membership, the free membership and the paid membership. In the both memberships, you will get the same benefits and there will be no big difference. In the paid membership, you need to pay us the $97 per month membership fees, and you can contact us if you join. We will discuss the payment method. You will tell us what are the available payment method for you or maybe for us, and then you will proceed with us directly. And if you don't want to pay us, you can simply go to the free VIP membership, and here the most important thing is your broker is paying for you. If you are trading with a broker, the broker is charging spread on your trading, and if you join under our IB link, the broker will share some part of his spread with us. This means the broker is paying for you for this membership, and we will get some commission in our account. That, and yes, that is not like a $97 per month. That may be $1 or $2 or maybe $5 per month from your trading based on your trading volume. But for that, you will get everything for free, the same things as a VIP membership, because the benefits of both membership types are same. And you can join us in simple 3 steps. The first step is just to open a trading account and our IB. For now, we have 3 different broker options. You can join IC Market or maybe XM or Do Prime, any of your choice. And if you already have an account, simply contact us on the Telegram here. And once you move to your account under our IB, you simply need to deposit at least $200 to start a trading, because most of the time I optimize the rewards on $200 deposit, maybe for the ECN account or for the Cent account, but that's around $200. And then simply you come here, write your name, your email, and how much you deposited. And if you have a client ID, if you know, then right here. If no, this option is optional, and simply submit for verification. After verification, contact us on the Telegram, so we will immediately verify your profile. We will send the VIP membership credential details, the username and the password in your email. And once you got the email, simply move here on the login page, and here you will simply write your username, your password, and remember me, and log in. That once you logged in, you will be able to download all the reports and their set files. And here on the report store, I am adding more and more reports every day. Here you can simply search like the Venus candidates here, and if you see like gold, all the reports related to gold here, and simply like goldfish or something, free results are found here. Here are some benefits of VIP membership. If you join our VIP membership, you will get all these set files for free, which cost around $10 to $150. If you have a simple EA and you contact any developer or any freelancer to get optimize your report, that will cost you around $5 or $10 to up to $150 or maybe even $200 for one optimization. But here you are going to get everything. The next thing is you will get all the premium rewards if you join the VIP membership, and these are not third-party rewards. We are developing our own premium rewards based on proven strategies and offering all these rewards to download for VIP members. And the next one is, once you join the VIP membership and you have your own trading report, you can contact us for the optimization service, and you will get straight 50% discount on the optimization price. Okay, we are providing one-on-one support to our VIP members anytime on the Telegram. The premium support for VIP members, fast replies. We do our best to resolve any problem related to Forex trading or reports or settings or optimizations of our VIP members. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.